We are going to be changing a rear wheel bearing hub. The bearing is making noise, so we'll be changing the complete hub, which is in here. First of all, what we'll need to do is, what I've already done is change the remove the wheels already. Next thing is get a 36mm, remove this, and also this is the Torx bits. You need to remove all these 6 bolts. Here's a 50 Torx bits, so we're going to slowly start removing it. I've got my gun here. I'm going to put it in reverse mode. Two. Okay, next thing we're going to be removing this big nut. All we do now is get a hammer and start tapping this. Once this is loose, remove this hub. There's a washer here. It's the whole hub. There's a new one, and all we're going to do is the reverse of putting it all back in. And before we put it back in, just a bit of grease around here. What I'm doing now is putting a bit of grease, just makes the bearing sliding easier. Okay, now we grab the bearing hub and we slide it in position. Just give it a bit of tap and that should go in. Okay, we have put the washer in there and put this nut in, and we're going to start slowly tightening it up. I've now fitted the hub, wheel bearing fitted now. There is no more noise, and this is the old bearing, which is very noisy when you're driving. Just to do a recap again, how to remove the wheel bearing hub. Remove this 36mm and remove 5 of these star drive, which is 50 Torx bits. And then after that, you use a hammer, you hit it here a couple of times all the way around, just keep turning it, and then that will eventually come off once you've taken this off. And then all you do is the reverse, fit the bearing back on, put the nut back on, put 5 of these back on. Done.